Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure your failed payment retries under the subscription tab. It goes without saying that you make more money if the system is set to automatically retrying failed subscriptions, because maybe if you have to do it manually, maybe you forget about it or it's too late when you try to recharge the card and so on and so forth. So let me show you how you can set this up so you can stay on top of your game. All right, first you want to click on Payments on the left, then select Settings at the top and select the Subscription tab on the left, right here. Here you can see you can manage failed payments for subscriptions. Please note that this feature is only available for NMI, Square, and Authorized.net, okay? Not for Stripe just yet. So here you can see you have the option to retry 3 times, okay? If you only want to retry twice, you just hit the delete button here, and then the retry disappears. Let's add it back for now. So if you click the drop-down menu, you can see retry 1 day after the previous attempt, 3 days, 5 days, or 7 days after the previous attempt, okay? So let's keep the first retry for 1 day. Let's select the second retry for 5 days, for example, and then the third retry for 7 days after the previous attempt. I would suggest you give them at least a week to retry before you cancel the subscription, which brings me to my next point. Here, what are you going to do with the subscription status in case the payment keeps failing? You can decide if all retries for payment fail that you cancel the subscription or not. Please note these settings will affect your existing subscription as well as the upcoming new subscriptions that your system will generate. Once you hit save down here, the changes will be applied immediately to all the subscriptions. Now, here's an example scenario. If a subscription is set to 3 retries with a gap of 3 days for each retry, so let's say 3 days, 3 days, and then 3 days right here. And 1 retry has already been attempted, but before the second retry, the settings are then afterwards updated to 2 retries with a gap of 3 and 5 days respectively. Then the second retry will occur after 5 days instead of 3, and no third retry will take place. And that's it already. This is how you can configure your failed payment retries under the Payments, Settings, and Subscription tab. I hope you like this feature, and I will see you in the next video.